Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 55. Pretty much a carbon copy of issue 54, but for the other wing, for the right hand wing. So it's a cream colour. Once again, some nice detailing on these metal parts, because these are metal. Very nice metal brackets as well. Made sure they're all marked up correctly, although it's fairly easy with the old different colours on these wings, but made sure I've got right hand parts. Yeah, once again, 2 little hinge pins. Make sure they're in your little bag when you get them. But yeah, all there, all checked off. So just going to get into the build for issue 55. Okay, so bringing over the hinge that's got the number 5 kind of printed on it. See that? Yeah, this one's got number 5 printed on it, and once again, you can fit in the little pin to that, make sure it goes through. Well, that one's a bit tight to go through. Oh, that's a bit better. A bit more paint on that one, but yeah, just fit in that, and then bringing the wing flap over, and this is going on the area closest to the peg, with the number facing downwards. Okay, same one as last time. Yep. And then this one has got the number 6 printed on it, and do the same thing for that. Through. That's going to go in the area furthest away from that hinge pin. R2, so we need the plastic part that's marked up R2. Cut that off with some decent sprue cutters. And I believe that's going on the one nearest the pin, so that's going to test fit that. And it goes on okay, and then super glue it on, but avoiding the actual hinge itself. And the same for the other one, but with the part that's marked R1. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Yeah, it's a little stiff, but it does move. So does that one. Okay, bringing over the main part of the aircraft model. Once again, make sure that this sleeve is in its slots, which it seems to be, and then fit the wing flap and secure it with 4 of the screws. Okay, so that was it for issue 55, just fitting that right hand wing flap, very similar to what we did in 54, so that's that done. Now issue 56 is just a motor with a label, so I've kind of already done that, no point in doing a video for that. So yeah, the motor cable and label for the wing flaps, so already done that, so that's also issue 56 done there. So coming up in issue 57, which will be the next video, is fitting the motor for the wing flaps. So quite a bit there, looks like it's going to be done. But yeah, just fitting that motor for the wing flaps. So that'll be 57 and that'll be coming up soon. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-da for now.